Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to invite friends on KakaoTalk account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your KakaoTalk app and tap on this search icon, and here you'll find this invite option. So tap on that, and here you'll get 3 options: invite via SMS, you can select other apps, you can select copy invitation link. So I'm going to tapping on invite via SMS, and now select the contact you want to send the invitation. Tap on OK, and now tap on send, and your invitation will be sent using via SMS. There's other options, other apps. Now you can select any apps to invite friends, to send invite friends. So I'm going to select here Instagram and sending these users. Done. This was the second method to send invite on KakaoTalk, and the last option is copy invitation link. So after tapping on copy invitation link, your invitation link will be copied. Now you will be able to send the link with anyone you want to invite. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.